Today I'm going to show you how to add an upload button to your Wix website. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to collect files, documents, or images from your site visitors, whether it's for job applications, project submissions, or customer feedback. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to your website management options. From this drop-down, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add the upload button. If you manage multiple sites, this step ensures you're working on the right one. Now, on this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually right beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing your website's design. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have full control over your website's layout and elements. From here, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is one of the most powerful features in Wix, as it houses all the building blocks you can use to enhance your site. Once you click Add Element, the menu will expand and display a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through the list until you locate the button element and click on it. This will open up a submenu with different button types. Within this submenu, you'll see an Upload Buttons section. Click on it to reveal a selection of sample upload buttons that are ready to use. These pre-designed buttons are perfect for adding a professional file upload feature to your website. Simply choose the one that matches your site's style, then click and drag it onto your website canvas to add it. You can position it wherever it makes sense for your visitors, whether that's in a contact form, a submission page, or any other relevant section. And that's it. You've successfully added an upload button to your Wix website, making it easy for visitors to share files with you directly through your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.